Hi, I'm Dr Mahmood, one of the GP partners, and today we're talking about something we all experience from time to time, coughs and colds. They're common, especially during the colder months, but when should you be concerned? Let's break it down. Most of the time, coughs and colds are caused by viral infections. These can leave you feeling miserable, but they usually go away on their own in about 1 to 2 weeks. Symptoms often include a sore throat, runny nose, sneezing, coughing. These are typically harmless and can be managed with rest, fluids, and if you're unsure, you can always visit the pharmacy first for this. But when should you seek medical advice? According to the NHS guidelines, there are a few signs and symptoms to look out for. Persistent symptoms. If you cough and it lasts for more than 3 weeks or gets worse instead of better, you need to speak to a healthcare professional. Difficulty breathing. If you're feeling breathless or wheezing, that's another reason to see a healthcare professional. If you're having chest pains, you need to call 999. Worsening conditions, especially in children or vulnerable groups, babies and the elderly, or those with weakened immune systems, should be monitored closely, so please keep in touch. Also, those people who have a high fever that's not getting better, that may be a sign of something worse. Remember, if you're ever unsure, it's always better to get checked by a healthcare professional. It's what we're here for. Stay safe, look after yourself, and click the link below or call us if you need more advice. Thank you for watching and take care.